you already know you can use Jumprope to easily create and share videos, but there are actually a ton of things that you can use Jumprope for that you may not know about. In this video, we'll be going over 6 ways to use Jumprope that may not have crossed your mind. If you've never tried mentioning Jumprope when reaching out to brands you'd like to partner with, consider giving it a go. With Jumprope, you can of course create the Instagram stories that the brand requested, but you can also provide them with an IGTV export or anything else that they might want to share on their own social media channels. The brand gets a little something extra and there's no extra work on your end. Jumprope can help with your blog's SEO. When you use Jumprope's blog export on your website, that text from the steps that you put into your video actually becomes text on your website, leaving less work for you to do later on when typing in step instructions. Jumprope also helps with mobile search results because it shows up as rich snippets on Google when you are using Jumprope's blog export. Jumprope can also help with your affiliate sales. When you add products to a Jumprope, be sure to include an affiliate link if you have one so that if someone clicks through and purchases the product, you'll earn a small commission from that sale. Remember, by publishing to Jumprope, you're probably publishing to people who may not have seen your content before, so it opens up your content and your video to potential new customers and sales. Your Jumpropes don't just live within the app. Each Jumprope has a URL associated with it, just like a YouTube video or an Instagram post. So even if someone is not a user on Jumprope, you can share your post with them by sending them the URL. You can find this on the Save and Share screen in your Jumprope. When you create a Jumprope, we give you a few different exports of videos that you can share to your social media platforms, but videos don't have to make up your entire Jumprope. You can make a Jumprope using photos. So if you have photos from a blog post where you went to visit a new city, or you have processed photos from a craft project, you can upload those and create a Jumprope that will turn into an engaging video just from photo content. We don't hear it talked about too much as a social media platform necessarily, but you can also share your Jumpropes to LinkedIn. Sharing videos to LinkedIn will probably stand out among all of the text-based posts on the site, and it gives your colleagues and professional contacts a visual of what you've been working on lately. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Jumprope. If you ever have any questions, feel free to chat us on the app or send us a DM on Instagram.